Hello, everyone. Today we learn what to say at the doctor. If you are ready, let's begin.
Hello, doctor. I do not feel well today.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a headache and I feel very tired.
I see. When did it start?
It started yesterday evening.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little. I feel warm and weak.
Okay. Do you have a cough or a sore throat?
My throat hurts a little, but I do not have a cough.
All right. Let me check your temperature first.
Okay, doctor, thank you.
Please sit still. I am checking your temperature now.
Okay.
Your temperature is a little high. You have a mild fever.
Oh, I see. That is why I feel so tired.
Yes, that is normal with a fever. Let me also listen to your breathing. Please take a deep breath in and out.
Like this? Breathe slowly.
Yes, very good. Your breathing sounds normal. That is good news.
That's a relief. I was a little worried.
I understand. Now, do you have any body pain? For example, your back, arms, or legs?
Yes, my arms and legs feel heavy. My body feels weak.
Okay. Did you sleep well last night?
No, not really. I woke up many times. I felt uncomfortable.
I see. Are you eating and drinking normally?
I am drinking water, but I do not feel very hungry.
That can happen when you are sick. Thank you for answering my questions. I think I understand your condition now.
Okay, doctor. What do you think is the problem?
I understand your condition now. You have a simple viral infection. It is common and not serious, but your body needs rest.
That is good to hear. I was a little worried because I feel very weak.
Yes, that is normal. Your body is fighting the infection. You just need time to recover.
Will I need medicine?
Yes. I will give you medicine for your fever and headache. Take it 2 times a day after meals.
Okay, I will take it carefully. Should I stay home?
Yes, please stay home for a few days. Rest, drink plenty of water, and sleep well. This will help you recover faster.
All right. I will rest and take care of myself.
Good. If your fever gets higher or you feel worse, come back to the clinic.
I understand. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly. I feel more relaxed now.
You're welcome. Do not worry too much. Just follow the treatment plan and rest well.
I will go home, drink warm tea, and sleep early tonight.
That sounds perfect. Also try to eat light food and keep your body warm.
Okay, doctor. I really appreciate your help today.
I'm happy to help. Take your medicine on time and listen to your body.
I will. Hopefully I feel better in a few days.
I'm sure you will. Get well soon. I am glad I visited the doctor today. Now I know what is wrong and what to do.
Yes, getting help is important when you feel sick. Taking care of your health is always the right choice.
I will rest, drink water, and take my medicine. I want to recover quickly.
We hope you feel better very soon, Jack. And we hope our listeners learned helpful English today.
Thank you for listening to our real-life English conversation.
If this lesson helped you, please support our channel.
Like the video and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
And write a comment. Have you ever visited a doctor? Tell us your experience.
See you in the next lesson. Stay healthy.